It's not easy. And then just keep squeezing the sides and then pulling on the, that's all right, that's all right. And then turn it upside down and take the roots off, if there is any. And then turn it upside down and then put one in there so the dirt doesn't come apart. Oh. That one's coming out easier, isn't it? The other, just pull on it.
Pull on it. Hold on.
Keep your hand under it.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Now. Okay, I went deeper this time. Might be better to just dig a hole, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to hold on to it so I take the cover off because it'll come with it. Ready?
Yep. That's still definitely above ground level.
Well, just cover it up as best you can.
Oh, it's not. Oh, okay. I thought like it being ground level like mattered to like how it lives.
Well, it does. You can push it down some. Push it down some. Yeah, like you did before.
That's good.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. And then I'm just going to put them here, and then the reason for putting them back here is so that we know if they come up or not, because if you put things in the flower bed like that, you don't know, because there's so much stuff growing out there, you don't know whether it came up or not. I mean, maybe there's already some of this out there, so how do you know if this is it or not? So anyway, yeah, so I'm going to put them in here where there's nothing else growing, and that way if they when they come up, we'll know that they definitely come up. Whereas I already have some of these in the flower bed, and I've already got phlox, so if or it just might get lost and you're not even sure where you put it. So right here we'll know that this is it. So this is where we're going to put them. So
when you're done, you know, the peat.
Oh, they're going on.
You're going in here somewhere.
yeah, so I'll just here's a good place for the first bunch. Oh, and on bulbs, I'll just open the package.
Yeah, the roots of the bulbs.
Either ones.
Okay, I'll open the
Bulbs doesn't matter. Okay, and this stuff here, just dump it in there when we're done.
all the dirt.
Yeah, yeah.
Stuff. Okay.
Yeah, these looks like pretty dried out. See, they might not even, these might already be dead. They're pretty dried out. Okay, so those need to be twice. Here, I'll hold this up. These are lily bulbs, and they need to be maybe about 8 inches deep, 6 to 8 inches for lily bulbs. The rule of thumb is twice the height of the bulb, but this looks like a pretty small bulb. But I think that generally lily bulbs are 6 to 8 inches deep. So we'll go ahead and we'll dig this hole here the same way by push the shovel in and then push it forward. This dirt's already been dug in a lot of times, so this would be a lot easier than what it was. Go ahead.
Just like this.
Yeah, yeah, you're right, that's the bottom.
Get all those leaves out of here.
And if you can put all
Like
of
that?
those in there side by side.
all of them growing?
Yeah, there's only, what, 3 of them?
I think so.
Okay. Yeah, and then just put them in there side by side, making sure the roots go down. Yeah.
So, does it matter if leaves get in there with them?
No, that's not going to hurt a thing.
Okay.
And then just dump that sphagnum peat moss on top of them.
Okay. So I think we're all good.
Yeah, then just dump that on top.
Now this should have 4.
Is it supposed to be 4?
Oh yeah, there is a 4th.
Oh, yeah, put it in there then too. And try and get them all side by side, not on top of each other. Oh,
Well,
yeah,
this one looks awesome.
oh, yeah, but it's okay.
Alright. Should I get them side by side?
Yeah. Or front to back if there's room. You know?
Yeah, I think we might have more room that way. I could put like 1 in the front, 3 in the
Yeah,
back.
go ahead.
Alright.
Then just dump this in there. Usually I just throw that in the flower bed, but it'd be just a good throw in there too. Okay, now hold on to them with your hand. And then I'm going to pull the shovel out. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, and then just pull the dirt back around them and cover them up. There,
Alright.
how about that? Okay, and same thing with the phlox.
Alright.
And we shouldn't put them in there. How about maybe right here? Because the problem with putting them under there is if you're under there working and you stand up.
Oh, yep, you bang it.
I've done it lots of times. Okay.
These are just roots.
Now on those, there's a crown and the roots go down. See, like, this looks like there's 3. See, this is the top. This is the part that, so this is going to be the crown right here. So we want to put that right at ground level like that.
Oh.
And actually these are so hard to separate that a lot of times I just plant them together. See how, I guess you could pull those apart. But how many is in there? 3?
2. Just 2.
Oh, I got 3 right here. Okay,
Nice.
so let's just do like that. And if you want in the hole, we could go like that, you know. So it would be like just 3 in a row, like that. Okay, I'm gonna
Do you want it that way?
yeah, I'm gonna put the shovel in here. And we'll just okay, here goes.
Alright. So ground level looks
You
like...
might be able to put that stuff in there first. I don't know.
I think
What do you
so.
think it will fit?
I think this would help get it to the
Yeah.
right ground level. I could kind of like bury them in there.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let's do sticks. Oh. Okay, that's about ground level.
Okay, hold on to them. I'll take the shovel out. Ready?
No. Oh god, they stuck to me. Alright, so that's one side.
It's kind of
that's
hard to
one
get them like that. As dried out as they are, they might not even be alive. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, then just pull the dirt back around them.
Somewhere in
It's
there.
okay, it's okay to throw all those leaves on top of it. Yeah, don't bump your head.
Oh.
I think we're all done. Push the shovel in and then push it forwards. Keep squeezing the sides and then pulling on the, oh, that's all right, that's all right. And then turn it upside down and take the roots off.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. Now. Okay, I went deeper this time. Might be better to just dig a hole, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to it while I take the cover off because it'll come with it. Ready?
Yep.
Well, it does. You can push it
It
down
does.
some. Push it down some. Yeah, like you did before.
That's good.
Yeah, yeah.